Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Segment to track e-commerce events and analytics, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type the Segment website URL into the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Segment homepage. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. After logging in, you will be taken to your Segment workspace. On the left sidebar, find the Sources tab. Click on Sources to view your data sources. If you haven't added a source yet, click on the Add Source button. Select the source type that corresponds to your e-commerce platform. Follow the prompts to connect your e-commerce platform to Segment. After successfully setting up your source, navigate to the Events tab. Here, you can begin tracking customer interactions and e-commerce events. Refer to Segment's documentation for guidance on configuring event tracking. Test your setup to ensure events are being tracked correctly. Monitor your analytics dashboard to view the recorded events. Adjust your implementation as needed based on your findings. You are now logged into Segment and ready to track e-commerce events for analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.